Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you mushroom omelette recipe. It's a very delicious, easy to make and quite filling. You can have it either for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Now let's see the ingredients. Need mushroom sliced. Clean the mushroom first and chop it into thin slices. Sliced onions, grated ginger, chopped green chilies, pepper powder, salt, 2 eggs, for the stuffing, heat oil in a pan, add sliced onions, fry it a little bit till it changes the color, light pink, add chopped green chilies, add salt, add grated ginger, fry it nicely, add the mushrooms, mix nicely. Mushrooms will ooze out lot of water. Cook on medium heat until all the water dries up and the mixture becomes dry. Mushrooms are ready now. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Add little salt and pepper powder. Break with a fork until you get bubbles. Grease a tawa and heat it. Once hot, pour the egg mixture and reduce heat to low. Once the omelette is cooked slightly, spread the mushroom mixture in the one side of the omelette and slightly press it. Slowly fold the omelette and press it. Transfer the omelette to a plate. Enjoy your yummy breakfast. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.